Lymph delivers bits of proteins to lymph nodes for inspection. Sometimes, even though a protein may be safe, the body confuses it as a sign that a major infection is underway. Papers, please. I lost my identification. That's what the last peanut said. There's been a mistake. I'm harmless. Run it up the chain. Tell them not to let any more peanuts pass the oral cavity. Blood vessels of the intestine all eventually converge, along with other vessels, transporting whatever has been absorbed to a blood vessel behind the neck of the pancreas, called the hepatic portal vein. At the other end of this vein, the packages will undergo a robust screening process in the largest and heaviest organ inside the body, the liver. The liver is a 1.5 kilograms of 3.5 pounds, powerhouse about 15 centimeters 5 inches wide. It performs about 500 separate functions. Each lobe of the liver is made up of smaller units called hepatic lobules, which is where all the action happens. The lobules are surrounded by small branches to blood vessels. Connectively, each group of branches is called a portal trade. Hepatic vein sends blood to the heart. Common hepatic duct sends bile to the common bile duct. Proper hepatic artery brings in oxygen-rich blood. Portal vein brings in nutrient-rich blood. Filling each lobule are millions of liver cells that extract nutrients from the blood brought in from the portal vein. From the nutrients, they can assemble fats and molecules like complex carbohydrates or break them down for use. This is where energy stores are created from carbohydrates. When we eat too much, they are stored as glycogen, I don't know how to pronounce that word, or converted into lipids. The lipids delivered by lymph get processed and repackaged so they can be sent into the bloodstream. Toxins are found and destroyed before the circulatory system has a chance to send them through the body. They can do this with the help of the protein called cytochrome P450, CYP for short. This enzyme is special because it doesn't need a specific substrate to bind with. It can react with a wide variety of substrates. I accept molecules for who they are. I recognize their inner beauty, and I bring it to the surface. CYP can handle a lot of different substances, transforming them and separating out the toxins. Then it sends the neutralized toxins out with the bile or delivers them to the kidneys to be excreted in urine. In the center of the lobule, blood picks up the toxin, free nutrients, preparing them for delivery to cells all over the body. The liver supports every other organ with energy released from those nutrients. The liver is vulnerable, I don't know how to pronounce that word, but it's okay, to many diseases like hepatitis and inflammation of the tissue. The immune system sends its crew to a damaged or diseased part of the liver, which tries to remove the dead cells in the damaged tissue. All right, clear out, everybody. White blood cells here. If this happens regularly, scarred tissue replaces the healthy liver tissue, which can block the flow of blood. This limits the liver's abilities and causes serious problems. If any part of the liver is destroyed or removed, it can regenerate. It duplicates the remaining lobules in order to restore the function of the original liver. It needs to do this because it plays such a critical role. No one can survive long without a liver. Before, after. We've reached my colony. We missed you. Welcome back. This is a great crew. They get first dibs on all the food and push the other bacteria away. Where have you been all this time? You look great. I feel funny. Missed you too. I've been away so long. I almost forgot what it's like to be with my own kind. OMG, you should totally stay. There's always glucose in the jejunum. Sorry. What is happening? Man, it feels good to be home. Remember the time when... Hold up, what's wrong with your friend? It's probably all the lactic acid. Lactic acid? Yep, other way, lactobacilli. I don't know how to pronounce that word. Inhibit the growth of other bacteria is by producing lactic blood, which causes protein leakage, damaging cell membranes, and that's enough. I think I need to move on. All right, sorry. The last section of the intestine is the ileum. Looks like a jejunum, but the tube is smaller and the villi are shorter. Good luck. Ugh, you've been very generous. Thank you. See you guys in part 13.